a new Tacoma glass recycling location.
What's old is new again in downtown Tacoma.
The homegrown holiday colors are here.
These stories and more coming up next on Tacoma Report. Hi, I'm Angie Foster.
And I'm Laura Proctor. Welcome to Tacoma Report. The city's parking services team is seeking community input on the downtown Tacoma parking and transportation experience. Residents, visitors, and downtown employees are encouraged to take the survey and share their perspectives. Survey results will help in making decisions about on-street parking resources, alternative transportation options, and planning for future investments. The Downtown Parking Survey is available now through December 8th in both English and Spanish at cityoftacoma.org/parking.
The Union Avenue off-ramp that connects to South Tacoma Way is now open. The off-ramp was closed to traffic due to structural damage caused by a fire in late February 2023. The city's Public Works Engineering Division worked with a consultant team to assess the damage. They found that 4 girders and one of the abutments required repairs. The team also found that the expansion joints and bearing pads also needed to be replaced. This work has now been completed and the ramp is open for use. To find out more about this and other capital projects, visit the city's website.
As holiday shoppers gear up for shopping, the Tacoma Police Department has a few tips for your shopping safety. Thieves look through windows of parked cars to see what people left behind. Avoid leaving gifts and other merchandise in clear view. It takes only seconds for a criminal to break a car window. Take items with you or put them in the car's trunk. Move items to your trunk before entering a parking lot and avoid dropping purchases in your trunk without reparking or finishing your shopping for the day. When you leave your car, leave it empty.
In 2021, residential curbside glass recycling collection for customers in single-family homes and duplexes was replaced with drop-off stations throughout Tacoma. The city's solid waste management has announced an all-new glass recycling drop-off station is now available in South Tacoma. Located just off of I-5 near 5827 Tacoma Mall Boulevard, this glass recycling location accepts empty, clean, and dry glass bottles and jars, as well as household batteries for free and responsible recycling. To learn more about all 6 glass recycling locations, visit the city's website.
Winter weather is here. When major rainfall occurs, the city's stormwater system could get overwhelmed, causing some city streets and low-lying areas to flood. To help prevent street flooding, the city works to prepare streets for the rainy season through the street sweeping program. Residents can also help prevent street flooding in their neighborhood by safely clearing leaves and debris from storm drains. In addition, the city provides free sandbag supplies to the public for personal use. For more information on street flooding preparedness and sandbag locations, visit the inclement weather page on the city's website.
Coming up, we'll get an inside look to Tacoma's old City Hall building.
And later, plenty of homegrown festive colors. Don't go away.
Welcome back to Tacoma Report.
Like an old friend, Blue Mouse Theater in Tacoma's Proctor District is that 100-year-old friend. Launched November 13th, 1923, Blue Mouse Theater turned 100 this month. Named for a lounge in France featuring flicks, or as we know it, silent movies, Blue Mouse Theater weathered the financial storm of depressions, recessions, and even the massive multiplex theaters in the 80s and 90s. The craftsman-style timbering, design, lighting, and polished marble make Blue Mouse Theater a true Tacoma icon worthy of a centennial celebration. For information on the Blue Mouse Theater, check out their website.
In 1893, Tacoma's old City Hall was completed, ushering more than 60 years of government service. This included 80,000 square feet of administrative offices, the Tacoma Public Library, attorneys, and even the city jail. The complex covered eras from 2 world wars and the Great Depression. It was decommissioned in 1957 and experienced neglected maintenance until purchased and renovated by the Surge Company.
Most of us are only dreaming to be a part of something big. And when this project came around, I was very excited to be a part of it.
This is such a public building, and all of our planning has been to integrate and bring the neighborhood, the downtown community, the city of the people of the city of Tacoma. This belongs to everyone.
The old building opened its doors just a few years prior to the Alaska Gold Rush for the cost of $250,000. Now, with the renovations provided by Surge, the Old City Hall Tacoma is looking to open next year. Plans include businesses, office space, restaurants, and affordable housing.
It's a bragging point, you know, you get to boast, oh, my office is located in the Old City Hall, or my residence is in Old City Hall, or you can have yourself a dining for a business meeting at Old City Hall. So it's a signature landmark that we are honored to be a part of.
Of course, we will continue to invest here in this city, in this town. This is our town, and this is where my kids grew up, and where we live, and definitely we want to make it better.
An exact date will be made public in the months to follow. Currently, construction is in full swing. New materials and technologies are being incorporated into Old City Hall Tacoma, intending to keep the original structure as authentic as possible while ensuring these technologies will help the building last for decades to come.
It's the holidays, with a burst of red and green marking the poinsettia season. Metro Parks Tacoma greenhouses traditionally grow poinsettias for display at the W.W. Seymour Conservatory. Starting December 2nd through January 7th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., floating poinsettia baskets, a tree of poinsettias and twinkly lights, showcasing a rainbow of colors, highlight the conservatory for the holidays. This popular event is free and open to the public through the holiday season. For more information on the conservatory, check out their website.
It's Zoolights time at the Point Defiance Zoo and Aquarium. Starting November 24th, PDZA transforms into a colorful winter wonderland every night starting at 4:30 p.m. This classic holiday tradition features over 800,000 LED lights featuring a giant Pacific octopus, the iconic Seahawks tree, light tunnels with stunning colors, and even some surprises. Zoolights runs now through January 1st, and you can get your timed online tickets at the Point Defiance website, pdza.org/event/zoolights.
That wraps up this edition of Tacoma Report.
A great way to find out about the services the City of Tacoma has to offer is by going to cityoftacoma.org.
We leave you now with the behind-the-scenes greenhouses of Metro Parks Tacoma with poinsettias in full bloom. I'm Laura Proctor.
The vibrant reds and greens are back, and we hope you enjoy the holiday season. I'm Angie Foster. We'll see you next time.